I've determined that the sharpening angle is 25 degrees. So I have the block at 25 degrees. I drop this part down into this groove, put the chisel in so that it hits that edge. Now I can turn it over and start sharpening on the stone. So I'm just rolling on this and this edge on the stone. All right, what I've got here is some dish soap and water. Gonna mix it up a little bit, and that's what we're gonna put on our diamond stone, or diamond. Okay. Alright, so this blade was fairly neglected, so I can be done with my sharpening now, and I'm going to move to the honing, and this is the kit. This comes with the kit. You get the stone, which is 3,000 and 8,000. You get the angle finder, you get the angle set block, and then the tool to hold the blade, and the diamond pad, which is double-sided, 400, number 400 and number 1000. So this is a pretty good kit. All right, so I'm done with the 3,000. I'm going to flip it over to the 8,000. All right, let's try it on a piece of wood. This has never cut this good. I could probably do a little bit more sharpening on it to make it smoother, but that is a full piece all the way around. I've never gotten one to do that.